Hi everybody, welcome back to Das Lab. What we're doing today is trying to fix this stained glass window. We're not doing any of the glass part, but as you can see, this hung from these chains, and I don't know what happened, but this corner and this piece here is let go on both sides, and we're going to just try to see if we can tack that up and make it so that it has some integrity again. And I'm going to try a little bit of just plumbing solder just to see what happens. I don't know how this is going to go, but we're going to learn together. And I'm having a hard time getting it to stay closed. I have a feeling I'm not going to be able to touch this while it's being soldered, so I'm going to just try taping it into place. This is not an expensive stained glass window or something. It's not out of a church or anything. It's actually, we don't really even have a place for it in our home, so just trying to fix it up a bit before we pass it on to someone else. Yeah, that's not really doing the job. I can't bend it into place. Not doing anything. No. Okay, what I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna try pinning it in between some I get this squared off here. So that's pushed against there. Okay, just bear with me. I'll just try to give it the old Malachi crunch here. Like, you even know what that means. A lot of kids do not know what the Malachi crunch is. Okay, well. Want to try to keep it away from fire as much as I can. That's too high. Alright, well, we might have a bit of smoke. We're in the garage. Okay, I closed it up a little bit. Alright, let's see what happens. Just using the old propane torch here. I'm gonna get a stool. So just see what happens. I don't know how soft this is. I don't know if I should be using flux. Well, that seems to be working nice. It's filling the hole there nicely. You'll hear a little bit of cracking sounds. Probably not great. Get some more on here, and then I'll have to flip it over. Okay, just blop through the other side. So you can do that again. Doesn't seem to, maybe I think flux might be a good idea at some point in time. Alright, let's let that cool for a little bit. And then let's see what the other side looks like. Definitely could use a little bit of a touch-up on the other side. Huh. Yeah, it seems, I don't want to pull that off. It seems to be sticking. I think I might have to go back in and try a little bit of flux. Okay. Boy, it's pretty low melting temperature, I can tell you that much. Okay. Side here. I think I'm just going to heat that up and just let it reflow without adding any more material to it. Just like that. And we'll let that firm up nice and firm, and this is what this hangs. This is you know, holding it right in the window or whatever you want. So there's got to be some integrity there so the whole thing doesn't fall. I don't think we made it any worse. Give it a pull here. Well, I'm pulling hard enough to almost open up that little ring there, so I'm gonna say that worked. Yeah, it's a good solid bond. Could be prettier, but we got it right through there too. There's no other cracks, nothing else on there. So there, doesn't even tell me what kind of solder it is. I know I've got some no lead solder because, you know, it's for residential plumbing. This has no label on it. Who knows what it is. Same with this. Solid wire, silver bearing, lead free solder. So I would like to have seen some lead in there, but hey, okay, it seemed to work. I can't get that to come off, so I would trust that. I would hang my window from that. Hang that from my hook. Okay, that's all I got for you this time. Have fun. If you like what you see down in the nether regions there, don't hesitate to subscribe. And be safe. Don't get any on you. See you next time.